Hey YouTube, I just wanted to show off my Smith and Wesson buffalo horn knife collection and my Smith and Wesson 1250. You can barely see it, but it says U.S. Army issue on there. I don't know if you can see it. And it says Made in USA, Smith and Wesson USA on the back. But I got this knife for a little bit of nothing. I'm going to redo it, and then I'm going to laser engrave the initials, or the lettering, because it's very faint. I don't know if you can even see it on there through the camera, but it does say Smith and Wesson U.S. Army issue, and Smith and Wesson USA on that side. So yeah, it needs some TLC, but it opens nice. Nice positive click. Nice belt clip. It's been used. I might mirror polish it. I don't know. But I got these two knives. These aren't the original sheaths for these knives, but this is the one that I'm keeping. This is the Smith and Wesson Performance Stewart A. Taylor Collection Hunting Series #1 Buffalo Horn Knife, CKH1. Really like this knife. It just feels good in the hand. And now I've got this sheath. This is originally for a Smith and Wesson Custom USA collector's edition bone handle knife, but I did, fixed up the leather. It says Made in USA, and I've actually got a Smith and Wesson Custom USA collector's edition bone handle knife on the way. This one's got a little bit of junk on it, but I think I'm going to sell this one. I got the box and the original sheath to it. When I get the one on the way, I'm gonna change out the lighter colored sheath it's got for this sheath, the darker one. But it's got the paperwork and the original Smith and Wesson sheath with the logo and the box and the whole 9 yards. So then I still need to repaint the Smith and Wesson snap, but it's got a really nice sheath, really thick. That's a thick sheath, but this is the big brother. It did have some issues. It had a little bit of rust on it, but I got rid of that. It's just, this is the Smith and Wesson Buffalo Horn Classic Buffalo Horn. It's feels really good in the hand. It says Smith and Wesson Classic on it. Smith and Wesson. I think this is a 6.5 inch blade. 6-inch blade, something like that. But I love the way that the hand guard is made, and I'm going to shine it up, polish it up, clean up the buffalo horn, and it's going to look really cool. But this is one that I'm keeping. I've got some knives I just fix up and sell. Some of them I'm keeping. I'm keeping all 4 of these. Well, all 3 of these. I'm letting this one go with the original. I think I'm going to keep this one. And I'm keeping the Smith & Wesson Collector's Edition knife. But that's all I've got for today. These knives are razor sharp. And then I sharpened them some more, so they're even more sharp. I haven't sharpened this one yet. Because I think I'm going to mirror polish it and then laser etch the lettering back on there. I've got the font. I've got the means to do it, so I'm going to do that. And then it's going to be mirror polished, but still have the original lettering. It's really small lettering, so it's going to be difficult, but I think I can do it. And that's all I've got for today. I've got some Smith and Wesson like 550 knives. This S.W.A.T knife is really cool. It's a Black Ops SWAT knife. I didn't plan on. This is really cool. It's sort of spring assisted. Wait, I got the lock on it. It has a lock on it. And then it's just barely touch it and it opens up. And it says Smith and Wesson Extreme Ops, patent pending, because this is one of the first assisted blades. It just opens like a switchblade would. It's got that performance logo on it. Really cool handles. Nice belt clip. Very positive. Very positive. Stays open really good. It's still got the original factory grease on it. And then it has a lock that goes up and keeps it from turning around. It's got the original paperwork. That came with it. But it's a really cool knife. But I'm probably, whoops, if I don't break it first, I'm probably going to sell it to pay for my other knife addiction. My addiction to other Smith and Wesson knives. Just a little bit here, a little bit there. Sell some, keep some. You know how it is. That way I can justify it to my wife. Anyway, that's all I've got. And please like and subscribe. If you guys like my channel, please let me know. Yeah, criticisms, as long as it's constructive, please let me know. But that's all I've got for today. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.